Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is the 2014 Chrysler Town & Country Touring, stock number E1876A. Low miles, only 63,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Billet silver metallic in color. You do receive the exclusive Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler lifetime powertrain warranty. Power sliding doors on both sides of the van. Seat 7, leather interior. Stone Go seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Third row seats 3. Lots of overhead storage with aimable LED lights. Rear heat and air control and DVD player. Windows do go down in the sliding doors, along with power venting rear quarter windows. Backup camera for additional safety. And power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage while behind the third row. Lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Hooks in the backside, perfect for plastic grocery bags. Folding those seats is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can, of course, fold them in any combination. Give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. Power sliding doors operate off the key fob or a simple pull of the handle. High back bucket seats in the middle row. Recline, slide forward and back. Have hooks in the seats for latch system to keep child seats completely secure. This Touring has keyless entry. Power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. With driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. This radio has a 28 gig hard drive. Simply put a CD in, burn it to your hard drive, never have to carry it along again. You can also upload through the USB connection. Very easy to manage your music from there. Rear DVD controls, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Slide-out cup holders, power outlets, lots of storage. In the removable center console, along with dual glove boxes with the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto-dimming mirror, power liftgate and sliding door controls, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and conversation mirror. Under the hood, this Town & Country has a 3.6 liter V6, 283 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the van. All of your fluid points are marked in yellow, so it's a quick glance. Anything you want to check on your own. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Town & Country, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.